Well, hello friends, it's Amy Frillici with the Gathering Inkspiration Stamp Studio, and today I want to show you this. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. This designer series paper, the stamp set, the tinsel trim, the embossing folder, it's all of this awesome new product that we have in our Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog. So I want to show you the product, first of all, that we are using on the card. I'm actually going to scoot this all out of the way. So we are going to flip right to, let's see, what page are we on? I think it was 18 and 19. Yes, right here. Okay, so we have our Painted with Love suite of products. Do you see? It is beautiful painted images with brushed gold accents, and there are tons of beautiful gold shimmery accents in all of the projects that the Stampin' Up! Designers designed and put on this page to kind of show off all of the really cute things that you can do with this stamp set, and Framelits and designer series paper, the whole suite of products. My card is kind of a case, so case means copy and share everything of this card. I had all this product and I had a swap that I needed to make, and that one kind of caught my eye, and so I kind of used some elements from that. I'm going to show you exactly what we did on the card in just a sec. But first of all, I want to show you all of the products in this suite. So first of all, let's see, here's this Sure Do Love You stamp set that comes, it's a red rubber stamp that comes either in wood mount stamps or clear mount stamps. And then all of the cute hearts, the little, they almost look like those candy hearts, the sweetheart hearts, you know, that you can eat at Valentine's time. And then we're using this stamp right here that says, "You're my Valentine every single day," which is such a sweet sentiment. This stamp set coordinates with these Lots of Love box Framelits dies. And then of course it's bundled where you save 10% on the combination of the stamp set and the Framelits. And so these Framelits cut out anything that's kind of grayed out on here means the Framelits cut them out. And then as well, I have to show you this cute, this is a box Framelit that if when you cut two of those pieces, it'll make a box for you, right? That makes sense. And then these really fun, these are Whisper White narrow note cards and envelopes. 20 of them come in a pack of, you get 20 cards and 20 envelopes, and those little note cards that measure 2.5 by 4.5, so super cute kind of tall skinny note cards fit perfectly in the box that you can cut with that die right there. So isn't that awesome? The other products that are in this suite, they have some Painted with Love gold vinyl stickers. Let's see, this is Painted with Love 12 by 12 cardstock. Excuse me, I'm going to get a little tickle in my throat. Bear with me just a sec. Excuse me. Take that quick sip of water and see if that'll help me out. I've been talking too much today. I can tell already. Okay, so was I on? This is the 12 by 12 cardstock that comes in, can you see? In Calypso Coral, Melon Mambo, and Powder Pink. So that would be great for scrapbook pages. Then we are using, this is the Love Mini Tinsel Trim Combo Pack that comes in gold and in powder pink. Some really fun gold glitter flakes, not gold flitter flakes. And then the Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper. And this is a specialty paper because it has all of those really fun gold accents on it, and I want to show you guys this paper and get rid of this tickle in my throat too, I hope, in the process. Okay, so here, this is the fun paper. We are using this piece, we're actually using on our card, so it's got the little baby hearts with the little gold hearts, and then some kind of painted or washed background on the back. Then this one is, I think it looks like a brick wall that they painted with Melon Mambo coloring, and then some more wash with the colors and the gold on the back of that one. This is another piece similar to the one I just showed you, a little bit smaller washes of color with the gold accents, and we're using this on our card as well, and then some really cute polka dots on the back of that one. And let's see what else. These are a couple of other pieces. We are not using these, but I have to show you them as well, because do you see all the fun stripes and the kind of pinks and purples and golds on there? And then, oops, I got that upside down. On this side, these are some hearts on here. I'm so sorry, this tickle will not go away. Then let's see what's on this side. Just some more fun kind of pinks and I think that's probably Calypso Coral and some gold. A more wash pinks and purples and golds there. And then this is kind of a lighter, kind of whites and lighter pinks and golds on that side with that beautiful gold. And then some more cute polka dots. So this paper is just beautiful. You're going to love that. You're going to need to have that paper. Okay, so let's see. I want to do the stamping first. On here, I'm going to actually move my card kind of up out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to use, this is Melon Mambo ink with that stamp. I keep feeling like if I get one more cough in, that's going to do it. So I am sorry. I don't really even have a cold. I think I've just been, it's really dry here and I'm just talking so much. Okay, this is Rich Razzleberry ink, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab, this is a little sponge dauber. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of that Rich Razzleberry ink. Make sure that's inked up really, really well. Okay, and I'm just going to add a little bit of purple so it gives the stamp is going to look kind of pinky and purpley, right? So I'm just kind of daubering, is that a word? Daubering on the top and bottom of the stamp itself. And then I'm going to press straight down and lift straight up, and woohoo! Isn't that awesome? So can you guys see the kind of pink and purple on here, right? Can you see that? Get it in the right light, right? So it's kind of a purpley there, and then it goes pink and then back to purpley. So I just love, I love the look of that. I've had a lot of fun. These, I actually made a bunch of swap cards with these papers and stamps and things, and it's been, yeah, oh my gosh, it was just a really fun card to make. So, okay, here we go. I have my Big Shot. I am, well, while I have it on here, I'm actually going to show you this. We are going to use the, this is the Scattered Sequins Embossing folder, super thick folder. So I'm going to use the regular Big Shot platform with just one clear piece. I'm going to put it on top actually. Okay, so I'm going to grab my embossing folder. So I'm just going to put my paper. This is a piece of powder pink paper. I'm going to put my the thin, what is that? That's the embossing folder with the paper inside, and I've got the handle going the wrong way, but I think I'll get it to work, right? Will I get it to work? I laid it down the wrong way. That's okay though. Okay, so we're cranking our handle, and it's a little bit crooked too. Wow. You guys will get the idea. This will not be the perfect video, that's for sure, but it all works. Next, I'm going to grab my magnetic platform and put that right there. Okay, so check this out. Here's the embossing folder, right? And we're going to open it up and look at those cute little sequins scattered all over my paper. Hence the Scattered Sequins embossing folder. Can you see the little, it's almost like they have the little pin inside the middle of them there. Okay, and then we're going to do our die cutting. So this right here, I should show you. These are the framelits that we are using. These are the Lots of Love box framelits. I showed you these in the catalog just a little bit ago. So these are all the framelits that come in the pack. Can you see all these? So that's the one that's going to cut that big, not big, but the box out for us that those little note cards will go in. So you kind of see how they're kind of tall, narrow, right? And then we are going to use this heart right here. That's the only one we're using. For this, we're going to lay that, and of course it fits perfectly right around there. We're going to get that where we like. And then we're going to put our other clear cutting piece on top. And I gotta switch this around. That's driving me crazy to have the handle going the wrong way. There we go. And then we're going to crank this through. And then we have just a couple more that we are going to die cut. Let's pop this guy out first. Okay. Love how simple and easy that is to cut those things out right with the framelits. Okay, then we are going to cut the other two hearts. We're going to cut this heart and this heart with the, what are they called? The Sweet and Sassy framelits. So a different set of framelits, right? Mine are a huge mess in here, but basically I've got these two over here that we need. And these are kind of the straight edge. I'll show you what I mean by that. See how they're straight. The other ones kind of curve in a little bit on the edge, but we are going to use, this is the third largest heart in the Sweet and Sassy framelits for that piece. And then the other little brick wall, and this is the fifth largest heart. And we're going to put that one on there. And we're just going to run, here's my other, it's so clear I can barely find it sometimes. put that other clear cutting pad on top there and run these guys through. Got that huge strip, but that's going to be okay. Okay. I'll show you these guys here. Okay. So that one fit or jumped perfectly right out of there for me. And then we're going to pop that one right out of there too. Okay. So very easy to work with. And I have paper everywhere. Oh my goodness. What a mess it is around here. I should also tell you guys dimensions because I think we're basically ready to put our card together. Okay. So I'm going to start with the card base itself. That is an 8.5 by 11 piece of powder pink cardstock that we cut in half this time at 4 1/4 to make a tall card, right? And then I scored it in half at 5.5 inches to make that nice crisp fold, okay? Next, we have I'm going to scoot those over here. We have a piece of designer series paper that measures 4 inches by 2 inches. Scoot that up a little bit more so you guys can see. And then this was that layer of cardstock that I embossed with the scattered sequins embossing folder. And that one measures 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And then all the other pieces you just have to cut big enough to fit your framelits on, basically. Even the white piece that we stamped this on, just make sure it's big enough that you can stamp and die cut it. There aren't any exact measurements on those. Okay, so I think we can put our card together. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to use my fast fuse because I've done some embossing obviously on this piece. Okay, put that right there. So I'm going to lay this down on here and don't press too hard and you might be able to move it. With the embossing there's a little bit more forgiveness. But fast fuse doesn't have a lot of forgiveness, so once you put it down it's pretty much going to stay where you put it. More fast fuse on this piece because I'm putting it on a piece that is embossed and it's kind of got those raised bumps, so that'll make that a little bit easier to adhere there. Okay. Couple more strips of fast fuse on our hearts. Okay, we'll get those both going there, right? So we're going to put that heart maybe right about there, right? And then this heart, what do I think? Right about there. And then, ooh, the fun part. Okay, so can you guys see? This is that powder pink tinsel trim. So this time, it comes in a combo pack of gold and powder pink. So this time, I want to use my gold since I used the powder pink on the last one. And I think the easiest way to do this is just run, oops, did that not? Oh, okay, here's the lesson, folks, in fast fuse. Can you see how it wasn't running at all? What you have to do is advance it forward till it feels sticky again, and then sometimes kind of use your finger to de-gum things a little bit if it's not rolling. There, and then it's working again. Okay, so to put this down, we just tack that onto the adhesive, and I just say kind of loop it. This tickle will not go away. Oh my goodness. So loop it like in a figure 8 kind of a look. You're going to loop it and tack it. And that's all you're going to do. We're going to loop that side and tack it down and then cut. And that is it. Okay, and then dimensionals. Where did they go? They're hiding. Here they are. Okay, going to add some dimensionals just at the top and the bottom because I've got kind of a lot of bumpiness kind of right in the middle there. So if I put those 2 on the top and 1 on the bottom, and then the tinsel is going to kind of go right through the middle of that. I'm going to pat that right on there. And there you go. That is it. So super cute, simple, not difficult. Got a couple of fun little techniques there. And then the beautiful paper and gold. So what do you guys think? Do you like the powder pink or the gold tinsel trim better? I think I like both of them. It just maybe depends on your mood, right? So I hope you were inspired today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out my blog. Let me show you that at Gathering Inkspiration with a K, gatheringinkspiration.com. I always have lots of ideas and tips and tricks and other videos on there. When you are ready to shop and buy any of the fabulous projects or products that you see on this card, make sure you grab the host code off of my blog. It's over on the right hand side toolbar. Shop online 24/7 anytime at amysuzanne.stampinup.net. And now during Celebration, when you spend at least $50, you get to pick a free Celebration item from Stampin' Up! And then when you use the host code on my blog and spend at least $50, you also get a fun free embellishment in the mail from me with your thank you card. So make sure you take advantage of Celebration while you can. It goes from now until March 31st. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.